Very good morning to all students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain assignment 4, which is dated on 4th July 2020. This is from similar triangles, converse of basic proportionality theorem. So let us see. So what is the statement of converse of basic proportionality theorem and a few applications of this converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So first question is state converse of basic proportionality theorem. So what is the statement? It is nothing but what? Okay. If you take a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, if a line which divides remaining two sides in the same ratio, that is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, okay. In a triangle ABC, if a line which divides remaining two sides in the same ratio, then DE is parallel to BC. This is a statement of converse of basic proportionality theorem. So today let's discuss few more applications related to converse of basic proportionality theorem as a second and third, fourth question. The second question: the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O. These two diagonals will intersect at point O, such that AO by OB is equal to CO by OD. Prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, ABCD is a trapezium. So in order to prove this one, first we have to take what is the right to prove, RTP. ABCD is a trapezium. This is the application of converse of basic proportionality theorem. We have to use that statement. So what is the external construction to prove this theorem? What we need to draw external, that is, so draw a line in parallel with AB, so which will intersect on AD at X, so that these two lines are parallel to each other. I will write like this. So draw a line x0 which is parallel to AB, intersect on AD at X, okay. So that from triangle DAB, if the line XO is parallel to AB, according to basic proportionality theorem, this line will divide remaining two sides into same ratio. We have to write that ratio corresponding side, that is dAx by dx is equal to what? OB by OD. So this is the first one. Let's take this first one by basic proportionality theorem. Okay. So when it is possible, if x0 is parallel to AB only, XO is parallel to AB only. Next, so from the question AO, given that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So by interchanging this CO as well as BO, that is, I can write like this: AO by, we can write it as what? CO is equal to how much? BO by DO. So this we can take it as what? Equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, both RHS parts are equal. Shall we equate their LHS parts? That is AX from 1 and 2. From 1, 2, AX by dx is equal to AO by CO. So from this I can say that what? If AX by XD or dx is equal to OB by, what about this one? AO by OC. Okay, AO by OC means this line is parallel to CD. XO is parallel to DC. Means a line which divides remaining two sides in the same ratio. Obviously, the given line which is parallel to third side. That is x naught is parallel to CD according to what? Basic proportionality theorem. Converse of it is not a converse of basic proportionality theorem. Given the line is divides in the same ratio, then it is parallel to CD. So that we can write according to converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem, XO is parallel to CD. Initially, XO is parallel to AB, the line which is parallel to AB. So as well as XO which is parallel to CD also. So that I can write AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. So that two lines are parallel to each other. Two sides are parallel to each other means what it is? A given quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Likewise, we can prove by using converse of basic proportionality theorem statement. In this question, prove that a line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. Okay, if a line which is D comma E are two midpoints, when it is D comma E are two midpoints of any two sides, side AB as well as AC. So that we have to prove this line DE which is parallel to BC. So first of all, we have to take what is the given statement. Given that, so point D is midpoint of AB. D is a midpoint of AB. So that AD is equal to DB. I can write AD is equal to DB. If you will send this DB to a denominator of LHS part, I can write AD by DB is equal to how much it is? 1. So let's take it is equation 1. So from this, next point E is the midpoint of AC. Given that is what E is midpoint of AC. So that AE as well as EC both are equal in length. So that AE is equal to how much? EC. The same way, how to send this EC to the denominator of LHS part? Can we write like this? AE by EC is equal to 1. Let's take this is equation 2. From equation 1 comma 2, I can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay. From this, if AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, what is this one? The given line, two sides are which divides in the same ratio. With the same ratio means what? We can write according to the converse of BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, DE is parallel to BC. We can write like this. According to converse of BPT, we can write DE is parallel to BC. So this is a statement is what? We have to prove that if a triangle is parallel to the third side, so DE is parallel to third side, that is BC. In this question, in the given figure, DE is parallel to OQ as well as DF is parallel to OR. So that EF is parallel to QR. Okay, so we have to take these two statements and we have to show it as what? EF is parallel to QR. Let's take a given data, that is given that first one, given that DE which is parallel to OQ, DE is parallel to OQ. So according to BPT, okay, by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, if a line which is parallel to third side of a triangle, then we can equate their corresponding sides. Means this line will divide remaining two sides in the same ratio. So I will write PD by DO. PD by DO is equal to PE by EQ. Okay, so let's say this is equation 1. I can use the second statement DF by, so given that DF is parallel to OR, DF is parallel to OR, so that the line which divides remaining in two sides in the same ratio, that is PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. PF by FR. Let's take it is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 I can write, from equation 1 comma 2, so both LHS parts are equal. I can equate their RHS part, that is PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Okay, so take this one, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So if you take in a triangle PQR, two sides which are dividing into the same ratio, so that the line EF which is parallel to QR, that can be written by what? According to converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, according to converse of basic proportionality theorem, BPT, we can write EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. So this is one of the application of converse of basic proportionality theorem. In this question, in a triangle ABC, they have given AB is equal to 5.6 cm, AD is equal to 1.4 cm, AC is 7.2 cm, AE is equal to 1.8 cm. Okay, so that we have to prove DE is equal to DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so when it is possible, how we are going to show where the given line is parallel to BC? First we have to equate their corresponding ratio of two sides must be equal. If it is possible, means what we can say, DE is parallel to BC. So first of all, so if AD is equal to how much? AD is equal to what? 1.4 centimeter is given. Okay, what about the value of DB? Is not given DB, but we can find this value. DB is equal to AB minus AD. If you subtract AD from AB, we can get the value of DB. So what is the value of AB? How much is given? That is 5.6. 5.6 minus what is AD? How much is given? 1.4. That is 1.4. So what is AD? Subtraction of this one. It is nothing but what? 4.2 centimeter. That is DB. Okay. Next, how much is given? AE. AE is equal to. Okay. So from this you can take a ratio of AD to DB. AD to DB. Okay. Or else we can find AE is equal to how much? 1.8 centimeter. So if you want to get EC or CE, we can write AC minus AE. What is the value of AC? AC is nothing but what? How much is given? That is 7.2 minus AE is equal to 1.8. AE is equal to 1.8. So that what about this difference? 5.4 centimeters, which is nothing but what? CE. Now you have to take ratio of AD. AD by DB is equal to 1.4 by what is the value of DB? It is 4.2. How many times it is exactly? 1.3. Exactly 1.3. Let's take this AD by DB is equal to how much? 1.3 as a first equation. Okay. Again, take ratio of AE to EC. That is AE by AE is equal to how much? EC 1.8 by. So how many times it is? 5.4. So if you cancel this one, so we can get the value of what? 1.1 by 3. That is second equation. Okay. So from equation 1 and 2, so we can equate AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay. From 1 comma 2, AD by DB is equal to, that is what? AE by, what about that? EC. AE by EC. Okay. If these two corresponding sides are in the same ratio, divides in the same ratio, then I can call it as what? According to converse of basic proportionality theorem, I can say that what? DE. DE is parallel to BC. The line which is parallel to third side of a triangle BC. So these are the today assignment questions from similar triangle which is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Thank you.